Islamic Festival Eid UL. Eid UL is a Muslim festival. It is celebrated on the 10th day of the Islamic month of l-Adha. It is also known as the Festival of Sacrifice. Muslims all over the world celebrate Eid UL. On this day, Muslims sacrifice animals like goats, camels, sheep, and cows. The meat is divided into 3 parts. One for the family, one for the relatives, and one for the poor. Muslims also wear new clothes and offer prayers in the mosque. Eid UL is a time for forgiveness, charity, and happiness. It is a reminder of the sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam.